Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my another video where I'll be talking today about the landform and landscapes. A landscape is a part of Earth's surface. It consists of a variety of geographical features that are the characteristic of an area. Landscapes are divided into two main categories, natural landscapes as well as man-made. Natural landscapes, for example mountains and deserts, are mainly unaffected by human activity and typical to particular areas of the world. Human landscape, for example, cities and farms have been created and modified by people. Human landscapes are sometimes also referred to as cultural landscapes. If we talk about mountain landscapes, they are formed by what? They're formed by the tectonic plates on the Earth's surface pushing against each other. This movement and pressure causes the shape of the land to change. The land is pushed up in a vertical direction and over time forms the mountains. Mountains rise high above the surroundings. They can stand alone, be grouped in ranges or form ridges. Next we have the coastal landscapes. The coast is where a land mass meets the sea. Coastal landscapes are shaped by the natural forces of the wind and waves. These geographical forces erode, wear away or construct the natural environment, constantly changing its shape. Features of coastal landscapes include beaches, dunes, bays, cliffs, plateaus, splits and lagoons. Next we have riverine landscapes. So these are the various forms and types of landscapes. So today we'll be talking on riverine landscapes. What is it? Riverine is a landscape formed by a natural movement of water systems such as a river. A riverine landscapes includes the ecosystems. All living things includes plants and animals in and around the area of a river. A riverine may also be defined as a network of rivers and surrounding land. Riverine landscapes are excellent for agricultural uses such as farming because the land is rich and fertile. They are a valuable resource for growing food. Right? Next we will talk about the desert landscapes. By the word itself we come to know what is it all about. So these are the various forms which we all must know about it. Desert landscapes. A desert is defined as an area of land which receives no more than 25 centimeters of rain per year. Obviously deserts are basically dry, isn't it? And rainfall out there is said to be the rarest, very rare in fact. Deserts cover about 1/3 of the Earth's surface and contain some of the most uninhabitable regions of the Earth. There are two types of desert, hot deserts as well as cold desert. Hot deserts are located along the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. Cold deserts are located closer to Arctic and Antarctic circles. Because of lack of rain, they have very little vegetation, that is plant life. Instead, deserts are characterized by sand dunes, rock as well as gravel. Next we talk about the tropical rainforest landscapes. What is it? Tropical rainforests are lush forests which can be found along the equator. Rainforest landscapes receives a lot of sunfall and rainfall, at least 1500 millimeters per year. This abundance of rainfall and sunlight means the vegetation grows rapidly. Rainforest ecosystems are complex and highly productive. They are a home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. About 50 to 70% all the species of the earth. Tropical rainforests cover about 60% of the Earth's surface. This was about the various types and forms of landscapes. Now we'll talk about landform. What is a landform? A landform is a natural geographical feature or shape that appears on the Earth's surface. Large landforms include mountains, plains and rivers, while small landforms include hills and billabongs. Landforms are created and shaped by geographical forces of nature such as tectonic plate movement and erosion. Natural landscapes are made up of a variety of landforms. Often landforms are not only unique to a single landscape. For example, a hill can be found in many different landscapes. Right? So it's very important to understand what is the basic difference between a landform and a landscape. I hope you're able to understand what I'm trying to explain in today's video. Thank you so much for listening.